Good morning, Ashley. It's Jason here with Tameron Hyundai, Highway 31, mile from the Galleria. Thank you for inquiring about the all-new 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. This is a great vehicle. You've inquired about the one with a third row feature. We have it right here. Let's take a look at it. Wraparound headlights, alloy wheels, just to name a few. As you can see, you have tons of room, first, second, and third row. Inside amenities such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, blind spot, heated seats, cool seats, touchscreen, just to name a few features. But every one of our vehicles comes with America's Best warranty. The new car warranty is a 5-year, 60,000. The powertrain is a 10-year, 100,000 mile warranty. That's not good enough for you. We're gonna double it, 20-year, 200,000. That's right, 20-year, 200,000 mile warranty on your powertrain. Bulletproof your budget. Come see me, Jason, 205-356-0420. Thank you.